Welcome. In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you can't access your device using your PIN code. So the first thing that you should check is whether you're trying to enter your personal PIN code or the SIM card PIN code, because those two are often mistaken for each other. And if you're sure that you're trying to enter the right PIN code, then give it a couple of tries and maybe try your best to remember the PIN code that you tried to enter, that you entered the last time when you succeeded. And if you really can't remember the PIN code, then reach out to the Samsung customer support service and tell them about your issue. If you can prove the ownership of your device to them, then you'll be able to regain access to your device once again. But if this doesn't sound like an option for you, then you'll have to perform a factory reset operation on your device. And to do that, you have to either use a Find My Device feature if you want to perform it remotely, or recovery mode if you want to perform it locally. If you want to perform the factory reset remotely, use Find Hub service by Google. Just log in to this service using your Google account that is connected to this phone. You can log into it on any other device that you can use, and just select this phone on the list, and then choose to perform factory reset on it. And this will erase all data from your device, but it will also let you regain access to it. And if you want to use recovery mode to physically perform factory reset on your phone, then you'll have to use a specific combination of keys to do that. If you don't know how to enter or how to use recovery mode, then you can check the video on our channel explaining how to do that step by step, so you won't miss anything. So if you're interested, go ahead and check it out. And that will be all for this video. So if you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.